Hello my friends, I got one side of the T60's tracks on and they're tiny little tracks. They're so small, and that was the difficulty putting these on. I'm used to these bigger tracks, these big Jag Panther tracks and the big T34 tracks and the big Tiger tracks. So I've never done tracks this small. They went together pretty well. I found that it was easier to clean them up with the snips instead of a file, because you couldn't really get a grip on each individual link because they're so small and delicate. And I think I put a bit too much glue on when I was doing the 13-minute set method. So next time I do the next track, this one over here, I'm going to put a lot less glue on it because I ruined them a little bit, but not much. But I'll be covering it with, you know, dirt and shit anyway. But yeah, they were very, very, very fiddly. So not the easiest thing to do, but it's done now, so all good. The engine grill is nearly ready, so I've just got to hook that on. I think I might make it a little bit smaller because it's still a little bit tight, so that didn't fit in at all. So I've just been filing the sides away, and now I've got it to actually go in, but it's still very tight. And this is a movable cover, so I don't want it, you know, in there really tightly. I just want it so you can open and close it quite easily, but it still sort of shuts. So there you go. I'll speak to you again soon. Thank you.